Where do you want to go next, Liza? You can't go in there, you have to be over 18. Be over 18 to go in the bar.
No, not in the bar. Ferris wheel.
Where's the Ferris wheel?
There. Let's go, 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 go.
Ferris wheel. That looks good. Not moving though.
These are the food stalls.
What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Candy? Where's that? Show me. Liza wants candy.
And this is a Christmas shop.
What are they selling that? Christmas stuff. Right, let's go in. What's that? How much is it? Yeah, it's big.
This is open doors. It's really big.
That's going to cost a lot. Like £20. What about something like this? Lights. How much is it, Liza? Not a pound. It might be in Poundland, but it's not a pound. What do you want, Liza? Candy floss? Alright, then let's go get you some candy floss. Cotton candy. Candy. Candy floss, you mean? Which one do you want?
Lots of Christmas.
You want a bucket or you want a bag? Bag.
Bag.
Bags, I don't know how much they are. Oh, you got your cotton bag. Are you happy now? No, don't open it yet. You got gloves on. Oh, that was the cotton candy. Sammy, you want some candy? Eh?
This is Santa's grotto, and it's very, 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 very.
What are you doing?
This is Santa's grotto, and it's still very busy.
Do you like the tree? So it's saying Sheffield on it. Sheffield. You're going to change colour. No.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne. For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne. cup of kindness yet for all Lang Syne.